Hello Libra, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and welcome back to my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a love reading. Tingnan natin ang romantic connection between you and your person. This is not a one-to-one reading, so hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. However, you can watch your moon, rising, and Venus placements dahil minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon. And nakakuha kayo ng mga dagdag na mensahe or messages for you. Thank you so much, Libra. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And please tap the bell for notification from this channel. Tingnan natin anong nangyayari sa inyong love life, love relationship, or romantic situation. Libra. For Libra, romantic situation, love connection. Anong nangyayari? Okay. 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 Libra, so right now the bottom of the deck is 10 of Cups. Okay, there's something in you that you are longing or iniisip ninyo yung person ninyo. You feel good thinking about them. Okay, naalala nyo ang inyong sweet moments. Okay, maybe for some of you, you are happy also. You are satisfied with what is happening in your relationship. Okay, and family. The Empress. Yeah, you feel good about yourself. Okay, there is true love, good connection with your person. However, meron kang iniisip on the other hand. Okay, nag-i-introspect ka, meron kang mga realization or naisip. You are also withdrawing. Okay, Two of Cups, you're thinking about a relationship at the same time. Siguro yung iba sa inyo nag-iisip how to be close to someone else. Okay. Yeah. Okay, tingnan natin kung ano yung Knight of Wands. Yeah, Justice. Okay. For some of you, your person is doing the right thing. Okay. Parang gusto niya magkaroon ng hustisya sa nangyari sa kanya or sa kanyang sitwasyon. Okay. With his or her current situation. Your person is doing well. Okay. In his or her own space. Okay. 10 of Swords. Okay. 10 of Swords, yes. It's like parang merong breakup na nangyari because of 10 of Swords. Merong deception or betrayal na nangyari. It feels like this person he or she feels complete because of the justice na natanggap niya. Okay, Parang nagkaroon ng kaayusan or clarity ang kanyang situation. Yeah. Okay. Merong fairness na nangyari with this person, sa person mo, Libra. And now, he or she is doing, ginagawa niya kung ano yung nararapat at yung tama para sa kanya. Okay. This person is fearless. Okay. Brave. Okay. Or maybe this person is also a rebellious. Okay. But you know, parang nakuha niya, okay, kung ano yung hustisya para sa inyong sitwasyon. He or she feels good about it after the breakup. Okay. 9 of Swords, tingnan natin. Ano yung 9 of Swords? Five of Swords. Okay. Merong hindi pagkakaintindihan sa inyong dalawa. Merong conflict. Merong fights na nangyari. Okay. This person doesn't, parang ayaw niya na magkaaway or magkagulo kayo. Okay. Parang merong sleepless nights sa situation ng person mo. Okay. Yeah. Maybe merong separation na nangyari, hindi maganda na pagtatapos. So that's why merong concerns or worries or sleepless night ang inyong person because he or she feels na parang hindi fair ang nangyari. Okay? Pero merong liberation sa part niya ng person mo because of the Knight of Wands. Okay? So, 4 of Pentacles. Okay. So, your person, I think, is holding back in communicating with you. Yeah. Kasi baka hindi lang din maayos ang resulta if ever na mag-usap kayong dalawa. Okay? Yeah. So, 4 of Cups, sinan natin. Ano nangyari? The Tower. Yeah, again, there is breakup. The Tower. There is separation. Okay? With the King of Pentacles. Yeah, it's like yung person nyo, after the breakup, merong discontentment and boredom na nangyayari sa kanyang sitwasyon. Okay? Yeah. Parang hindi na din siya ganon ka interesado if ever na magkabalikan kayong dalawa. Parang may nasira or merong damage na nangyari sa part ng person ninyo. Okay? May nasira na foundation, na trust. Parang he or she is not that interested anymore if ever to make a commitment or to make a commitment or na magtagal pa ang inyong relasyon. Okay? That is for some of you. Just take what resonates and leave the rest. Kung hindi para sa inyo, leave it. Okay? Tingnan natin the strength. Ano tong the strength for you, Libra? Yeah. Pero In this case, the person, he or she is a brave person and parang grateful or thankful din at somehow because there is justice na nagkaroon ng separation or breakup dahil may lumabas or may revelation of something na hindi pabor para sa kanya. Okay? So, Strength, Four of Swords. Yeah. Nahirapan ka ngayon sa sitwasyon mo, Libra. But then, yeah, but parang hindi ka happy because of the separation or the breakup. Okay? But you are moving forward. Yeah. Naiisip mo din yung person mo. You're thinking about kung ano yung gagawin. Thinking about solution. Yeah. Para magkaayos kayong dalawa. Nine of Cups. Okay. You're thinking about forgiveness. Maybe you are asking for forgiveness from this person. Okay. Five of Pentacles. Tingnan natin. Bakit may Five of Pentacles? Ace of Pentacles. Okay. Yeah. Libra, you feel sad because wala nang solid commitment or na-disengage ka sa person na to. You feel sad, great sorrow on your part. You feel left out in the cold. Okay? Yeah, for some of you, you are reflecting about what you did, okay? Kung ano nangyari sa inyong situation. But you have the inner strength, the bravery also to move forward and to continue with life, okay? Ace of Pentacles. It's Ace of Pentacles, a challenge. Yeah, Eight of Wands. Maybe you're thinking about sending a communication, contacting or communicating with this person. But parang nawawalan ka ng pag-asa. Feeling mo parang hindi ka din bibigyan ng pansin. Okay? You feel that there will be no beginning or fresh start sa inyong relationship. Okay? You feel that way. You feel parang powerless ka. Parang wala kang magawa sa sitwasyon, Libra. Parang nawalan ka ng pag-asa. You feel hopeless in the situation. Yeah. Tingnan natin. Three of Pentacles. Bakit may Three of Pentacles? Yeah. Page of Wands. Yeah. King of Wands. Yeah. Three of Pentacles. There is two people involved. You will be directing your attention to the other person. Okay. Or maybe for some of you, you will just focus your attention towards work, towards your creativity. Okay. Maybe you are a provider also in your family. Yeah. Yeah. You will be, parang bibigyan mo ng panahon, or you are planning on moving towards the other person. Okay, communicating with them. Okay. So, 3 of Pentacles. Working together towards a goal or towards a plan. Okay. Yeah. Because you feel like parang left out ka dito sa isang situation, parang hopeless ka na. So, you are giving your attention to another person. Okay? You'll be working with them, communicating with them. Okay? We'll do some planning. Okay? For the future or for the next step. 5 of Cups. Bakit may 5 of Cups? Let's see. Yeah, the Lovers. You are sad. Okay? There are regrets because of your choices and decision making. Libra. Merong regrets in your part about the person that you broke up with. Okay? Yeah. Merong regrets because of disgraceful behavior, no? 5 of Cups. In the relationship, intimate relationship. Yeah, King of Swords. Yeah. So, Libra, you have to deal with the situation, kung ano nangyari, okay? For some of you, kailangan mo i-express, maybe a confession is needed about how you feel, okay? That you feel sorry of what happened, Libra. Okay. Just take what resonates for you, but ito yung mga energies and messages na lumalabas sa inyong reading, Libra. For Libra. Hidden truths from your person for Libra, please. I left when I saw you with someone. We both know I am not the one for you. I replay our conversations over and over. Okay. Another message, additional message for Libra, please. Friendship. Nurture the bonds of friendship within your relationship and your love life will dramatically improve. Okay? So, Libra, maraming salamat sa iyo. Ito lang yung mga messages para sa inyo and see you on the next video. Bye!